The Atlantic Ocean is more than just a vast body of water separating continents. It is a living archive of lost civilizations, vanished ships, unexplained phenomena, and secrets humanity may never fully uncover. Beneath its dark waves lie ancient ruins, deadly currents, mysterious sounds, and legends that refuse to die. From the infamous Bermuda Triangle to the remains of the Titanic, from strange underwater noises to continents that no longer exist, tonight, we dive deep. These are the top 15 mysteries and unbelievable facts about the Atlantic Ocean, and some of them still have no explanation. Keycap 1. The Atlantic is still growing. Fact: unlike most oceans, the Atlantic Ocean is actually getting wider every year. At its center lies the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, a massive underwater mountain chain where tectonic plates are slowly pulling apart. Magma rises, cools, and forms new ocean floor, causing the Americas to drift away from Europe and Africa by about 2.5 centimeters per year. This means the Atlantic is creating itself in real time. Keycap 2. The Bermuda Triangle Mystery. One of the most famous ocean mysteries on Earth. Located between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, the Bermuda Triangle has been linked to ships vanishing without distress calls, aircraft disappearing from radar, navigation instruments failing without reason. Some blame magnetic anomalies, others rogue waves, and some believe something far stranger is at work. Despite decades of research, no single explanation fits every case. Keycap 3. The Titanic still whispers from the deep. In 1912, the RMS Titanic sank in the North Atlantic after hitting an iceberg. But here's the mystery. Modern sonar scans have revealed the wreck is slowly collapsing, being consumed by iron-eating bacteria. Within a few decades, the Titanic may completely disappear, leaving behind only memories and unanswered questions about decisions that led to the disaster. Keycap 4. The Atlantic's deadliest current. The Gulf Stream. The Gulf Stream is a powerful ocean current flowing from the Gulf of Mexico across the Atlantic to Europe. It controls weather patterns, hurricanes, global climate, but scientists fear it is slowing down due to climate change. If it collapses, Europe could face extreme cold, rising seas, and chaotic weather, a global disaster hidden beneath the waves. Keycap 5. The lost continent of Atlantis. Plato described Atlantis as an advanced civilization swallowed by the ocean in a single day. Many researchers believe Atlantis may have existed somewhere in the Atlantic, possibly near the Azores. The Canary Islands are beneath the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. No physical proof has been confirmed, but underwater structures continue to fuel the legend. Keycap 6. Strange sounds from the Atlantic depths. Scientists have recorded unexplained underwater noises in the Atlantic. One of the most famous is the bloop, a powerful sound detected by underwater microphones. It was louder than any known animal sound. Though later theories suggest ice movement, some experts still aren't fully convinced. Keycap 7. The Atlantic is younger than other oceans compared to the Pacific. The Atlantic is geologically young. It formed around 180 million years ago, when the supercontinent Pangaea broke apart. This youth explains why its seabed is smoother, its coastlines are less violent, its mysteries are still unfolding. Keycap 8. Shipwreck graveyard of the world. The Atlantic Ocean holds hundreds of thousands of shipwrecks. Warships, merchant vessels, pirate ships, submarines, entire fleets lost during world wars, colonial trade storms, and navigation errors. Some wrecks are mapped. Most are still missing. Keycap 9. The Sargasso Sea. An ocean without shores. In the middle of the Atlantic lies the Sargasso Sea, unlike any other sea on Earth. It has no coastline, no land boundaries, floating seaweed fields. Ships have reported being trapped here, unable to move for days, leading sailors